What if the sun suddenly disappeared? Right now, no explosion, no warning, just gone. Would we notice immediately, or would Earth just keep spinning like nothing happened? Well, the answer is both terrifying and fascinating, so stick around. Welcome to History and Science, where we explore the past, the universe, and the hidden laws that control our reality. So, here's something that most people don't know. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from Earth. That's so far, that light, the fastest thing in the universe, takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. So, if the sun just vanished for over 8 minutes, everything would look completely normal. Birds would still be flying, cars would be moving, and you'd probably still be scrolling through YouTube. But after those 8 minutes, darkness would crash into Earth at the speed of light. And it gets worse. The sun doesn't just give us light. Its immense gravity is what keeps our planet in a stable orbit. Without that gravitational pull, Earth would immediately stop orbiting. Our planet would be flung into the cold, dark void of space, flying in a straight line forever. Temperatures would drop rapidly. Think about the coldest winter night you've ever experienced, and then imagine it getting colder every single hour. Within just 1 week, the average global temperature would plummet to around minus 18 degrees Celsius, or 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Within a single year, the entire surface of our planet would be a frozen, solid wasteland. The oceans, they would freeze over, creating a thick crust of ice, though some liquid water might remain in the very deep, warmed by the Earth's core. Life wouldn't instantly disappear, but human civilization as we know it absolutely would. This deep-seated fear of losing the sun isn't new. Ancient civilizations understood its importance, even without our modern science. The ancient Egyptians worshipped Ra, the mighty sun god who brought life to the Nile. The Aztecs believed the sun was a fragile deity that needed constant nourishment type owned human sacrifices just to have the strength to rise each morning. In ancient China, a solar eclipse wasn't a predictable astronomical event. It was a celestial dragon trying to devour the sun, an omen of terrible things to come. They didn't have astrophysics or understand nuclear fusion, but they grasped one fundamental, unshakable truth. Without the sun, nothing survives. So, faced with this ultimate catastrophe, could humans survive at all? Surprisingly, maybe. The surface would be uninhabitable, but humanity could retreat deep underground. We could build self-sustaining bunkers and cities. Nuclear reactors could provide the energy we'd need for light and heat. Geothermal vents, tapping into the Earth's natural internal heat, could sustain small, isolated populations for centuries. We could even grow food using artificial light in vast hydroponic farms. Humanity wouldn't thrive, not like we do today under the warm yellow sun. But it might endure, a tiny flicker of consciousness in a cold, dark universe. The sun feels eternal, a constant, reliable presence in our sky. But it won't last forever. Our star has a finite lifespan. In about 5 billion years, it will exhaust its fuel, swell into a massive red giant, and completely vaporize the Earth. This means that every sunrise, every warm day, every single moment of light we experience is borrowed time. It's a precious gift from a star that is ultimately temporary. If you enjoy stories where history meets science, subscribe to History and Science and keep questioning the universe. Thanks for watching.